2006 F-150 4.2 liter V6, and it was rattling like crazy when it came in. And so we got a collapsed lifter there, back there. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's just about to fall off there. These are non-adjustable rockers, and you can tell just looking at the depth of the push rod back there, it's different than the rest of them. So probably my guess is, I don't remember what kind of lifters they have in these 4.2 liters, but it's making all kinds of noise. That's the noise up there. And I don't know how much cam's left, so probably not worth messing with this motor for sure.